Hello guys, myself Ankit Kumar Mishra. Today I will solve the second problem of the tree series, which is invert binary tree. Let's understand the problem. Given the root of a binary tree, invert the tree and return its root. So basically inverting a binary tree means we have to find the mirror image of the original tree. So what is the meaning of mirror image of the original tree? So in the mirror image, its left node and right nodes are interchanged for every subtree. So in the original tree, 2 is in the left of 4, but in the mirror image it is in the right of 4. 7 is in the left of 4 in the mirror image, but in the original image it is right of 4. So also for 7, 6 is in left for in the original tree, but in the mirror image it is in right side. 9 is right in the original tree, but in the mirror image it is left of 7. For 2 also, 1 is left in the original tree, but in the mirror image it is on the right of 2. 3 is in the right of 2 in the original image, but in mirror image it is in the left of 2. So this is basically what a mirror image means. So we will solve the problem using recursion. We will apply post order traversal to solve this problem. So in post order traversal we have to traverse the left node, then the right node, and then the root node. So in this problem we will traverse the left node first, then the right node, and when we come back to the root node we will swap the left node and right node. Now let's try run this approach in the example. So root node is 4, which is not null, so we go to the left of 4. Left of 4 is 2, which is not null, so we go to the left of 2. Left of 2 is 1. Now we go to the left of 1. So left, as 1 is a leaf node, it has no left node and right node. So whenever we encounter a leaf node, we will simply return. Now we will go to the right of 2, which is 3. 3 is also a leaf node, so we will return back to 2. Now after coming back to 2, we will swap its left node and right node, which is 1 and 3. Let's swap 1 and 3. Now the left call of root node 4 is finished. Now we will go to the left part of root node 4. Sorry, in the right part. In the right part we will encounter 7. Now we will apply post order traversal in this subtree. So in the left of 7 is 6. 6 is a leaf node, so we don't have to do anything. We will go to the right of 7, which is 9. 9 is a leaf node, so we don't have to do anything. Now we will go back to 7. So after coming back to the root node, we have to swap its left child and right child. So now we will swap 9 and 6. Let's swap it. Now the right call of the root node 4 is finished. Now we will swap the entire right subtree and the left subtree. So after swapping the entire left subtree and right subtree of 7, we will get our final answer. So our final answer will look like left of 7 is 9, right of 7 has become 6, in the right of 4 is 2, left of 2 is 3, and right of 2 is 1. So this is the mirror image of the original tree which we have used in our example 4 7 2 9 6 3 1. 4 you can see that it's same 4 7 2 9 6 3 1. I hope you guys have understood the problem. Now let's code it up. So whenever the root is null, we just have to return root, as the return type of this function is a tree node. Else, in the else part, we will do the post order traversal. First we go to the left. After the left call is finished, we will go to the right. After the right call is finished, when we come back to the root node, we will swap the left and right node. Let's swap it. Finally, we have to return the root. Let's run the code. Accepted. Now let's submit it. So our code is successfully submitted. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share.